Motorcycle accidents can be a traumatic and life-changing experience. In Texas, where wide-open roads attract motorcyclists, accidents involving motorcycles can be particularly severe due to the lack of protection riders have compared to those in cars or trucks. If you're injured in a motorcycle accident in Texas, knowing what steps to take can help protect your health, legal rights, and potential for compensation. Here's a guide to the essential actions a motorcyclist should take after an accident. The most important thing after any motorcycle accident is to prioritize your safety. If you're physically able, move to a safe location away from traffic. However, avoid unnecessary movement if you're seriously injured, as doing so could aggravate your condition. Assess your injuries and keep in mind that adrenaline might mask pain immediately after the crash. Regardless of the severity of the accident, it's crucial to call 911. Reporting the accident to the authorities ensures that help will arrive quickly and that the incident is officially documented by law enforcement. The police report will be an important piece of evidence for insurance claims or potential legal cases. Additionally, emergency medical personnel can assess and treat your injuries on site, ensuring you get proper care right away. Even if your injuries seem minor, getting checked out by a medical professional is essential. Injuries such as internal bleeding, concussions, or soft tissue damage may not present obvious symptoms at first, but can have serious long-term consequences. Prompt medical care not only protects your health, but also creates a medical record of your injuries, which could be important when filing a personal injury claim. If your condition allows, gather as much evidence at the accident scene as possible. Use your phone to take photos or videos of the accident site, damage to your motorcycle, any other vehicles involved, road conditions, and visible injuries. Try to capture different angles, including wide shots of the scene and close-ups of damage or injuries. This evidence can be critical in proving fault and supporting your claim for compensation later. Make sure to exchange contact and insurance information with all parties involved in the accident. If there were witnesses to the accident, ask for their contact information as well. Witness statements can play a key role in determining who was at fault in a motorcycle accident, and having their details on hand can strengthen your case. In the aftermath of an accident, it's natural to feel a mix of emotions, but it's important not to admit fault or make any statements that could be interpreted as such. Even if you think you might be partially to blame, don't apologize or discuss who caused the accident. Fault can be a complicated legal issue that is best left to investigators, insurance companies, or attorneys to determine. Notify your insurance company about the accident as soon as possible. Be clear and honest about the details, and provide any evidence you've collected, such as photos or a copy of the police report. Your insurer will guide you through the claims process and may help cover some of your medical bills, property damage, or other expenses. In Texas, the law requires all drivers, including motorcyclists, to carry insurance, which will be a key factor in handling the aftermath of the accident. Understanding Texas motorcycle laws can help you protect your rights as a rider. Texas follows a comparative negligence system, meaning that even if you're partially at fault for the accident, you may still be able to recover compensation. However, your compensation will be reduced by the percentage of fault assigned to you. For instance, if you're found to be 20% at fault, your compensation would be reduced by 20%. Additionally, Texas law requires motorcyclists under the age of 21 to wear a helmet, and not doing so could impact your injury claim if you're involved in an accident. After a motorcycle accident, it's crucial to keep detailed records of your medical treatments, bills, and any other expenses related to the accident. This includes hospital visits, physical therapy, prescription medications, and even travel expenses for medical appointments. Keeping a detailed log of these costs will be useful when filing a personal injury claim or negotiating a settlement with an insurance company. Motorcycle accidents often lead to significant medical bills, lost wages, and other financial hardships. If another driver's negligence caused the accident, you may be entitled to compensation for your injuries and losses. Consulting with the law offices of David Kohm, who specialize in motorcycle accidents, can help you navigate the complex legal process and negotiate with insurance companies. We offer free consultations and work on a contingency basis, meaning you won't pay unless they win your case. Motorcycle accidents can leave riders with devastating injuries and significant financial burdens. If you're injured in a motorcycle accident in Texas, taking the right steps immediately after the crash can protect your health, strengthen your claim, and improve your chances of receiving fair